How to disinfect the human body, one of the dirtiest things in the known
If you're
universe.
so concerned about security, why don't you disinfect that dump?
And I could also smell disinfectant and sick animals.
For disinfecting.
This place is disgusting. We have got to disinfect.
It'll help clean out the infection.
Disinfected.
Do you have any disinfectant?
My job is cleaning barracks and purifying the water.
Suicide by drinking disinfectant or
worse than the stuff that is supposed to disinfect.
We face quite a problem. How to disinfect the human body, one of the dirtiest things in the known universe.
That is without killing the human being at the same time.
The guns that aren't broken are stolen by that scum. So if you're so concerned about security, why don't you disinfect that dump?
Eels, an expensive perfume, and I could also smell disinfectant and sick animals. And on you, a mixture of...
They told them to breathe all the time because it's good for disinfecting. And then they gassed them.
This place is disgusting. We have got to disinfect.
Do not use the word we. Now, you want to...
Captain's injury. I'll try to find a phone, too.
We could use sugar. It'll help clean out the infection.
He needs real medicine. I need to go right
They
now.
pulled me off that truck to help.
Pass the hat. Take it. It's disinfected. If you're gonna...
I wonder what happened to that.
Do you have any disinfectant?
That's okay.
I'm gonna kiss it.
SS deal with everything, you know that. Pastor, my job is cleaning barracks and purifying the water for our troops. I do nothing that's in conflict with my conscience.
have you had a girl brought in there this afternoon who committed suicide by drinking disinfectant or any suicide? Yes.
And why do they have to have disinfectant that smells even worse than the stuff that is supposed to disinfect? And why do they give you back your personal belongings?
Into your yatin, darling.
What, now?
Yes, I want to get some morphine. Disinfectant.
I shan't need morphine.
But you never know.
I heard it was really gnarly. She sucked down a ball of multi-purpose deodorizing disinfectant and then smashed.
Now, Tracy, let's not rehash the...
Germs are just a plot they made up so they can sell you disinfectants and soaps. Now, he's crazy, right? See?